Hello everyone. I'm bored. And it's 3:39 a.m. I just oh wait, I'll just wait for people to join. Okay, there's a few people. Okay, there's What's up guys? Oh, someone named the Kai scene is here. I was just on FaceTime with Kyle and now I'm here. What's up guys? Okay. What's up? How are you? Hi. What time is it in the Philippines? So it's 6:39 p.m. Cause it's a.m. here, so it's 3:39 a.m. here. What's up, guys? Jericho, why are you awake, dude? You tell me to go to sleep unless you have work, but it's Sunday. We gotta hang out, man. What's up, Venice? Venice, you go to. Oh wait, it's not even Venice. It's Venice. Why did I call you Venice? Venice. Ella Mayor is here. Why are you not sleeping either? I like how my friends here in North America are telling me to sleep. Anyway, I'm not asleep because I shot something. Kaya ako nagla-live kasi medyo matagal-tagal yung sinut ko, tas nagutom ako. So, I'm making instant ramen. Ganun talaga pag may sinut feeling ko dapat may price ka after. So, dahil nga kakatapos ko lang mag-shoot, nagpainit ako ng tubig, and now I got my cup of instant ramen here. And now I'm gonna put the flavor, the seasoning, I should say. I like how you guys are just watching me. Wait, can you? Wala bang brand to? Baka. Okay. So panoorin nyo akong gumawa ng instant ramen kasi trip lang. Okay. Ella, you know what? The garnishes, the seasoning, it's the same thing, okay? Don't mind me. It's the same. And then this is, ba't may nagko-comment kayo ng brand? Oy, wag nyo akong ginaganyan. Natakot, hindi. Okay lang. Kasi wala naman akong, guys, kung gusto nyo pong mag-sponsor sa akin, di joke lang. Kung may nanonood ngayon na gustong mag-sponsor sa akin ng, instant something. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this is the spicy sauce. So I like spicy, so I'm gonna put the whole thing, and you guys are just gonna watch me sweat while you watch this live. I'm just gonna be sweating, and I don't have scissors, so I'm gonna try and cut this. Pwede ka bang makisama? Wait lang kukuha lang ako ng gunting. Okay. So, tingnan niyo muna yung drawer. Ay, yung cupboard. So, yun na nga, guys. Okay, I have the spicy pack opened. And we're just gonna put it in our ramen, because why not? Ay, hindi nyo nakikita. Ayan. I don't know. My family isn't really into spicy food. It's just me. I mean, my dad's kind of into spicy food, but not that spicy. Wait, saan yung basura ko? Ayan. And now we will mix. Ay, hindi nyo makita. Basta, bahala na. We will mix everything together. Oh, that smells so good. Again, to everyone who's asking why I'm awake at 3:43 a.m. here in Canada, I just shot something. And it took a bit of time. It took a long time. Tas nagutom ako. So, this is really funny to me because, like, I would have never imagined me going live just to eat. So, there's that. Okay, let's see what you guys are saying. Birthday mo ngayon. Sasabihin ko na lang yung username mo. Sabi mo, birthday ko today, pabate. Timex. Sorry. What else are you guys saying? I'm sorry, I'm just really random. Ganun talaga paglutang. Ella asked, did you ever finish your mint? Yes, I did. Why do you keep asking that? It's been 3 years since I finished the mint. Jericho, I really don't know why you're awake, man. Like, I shot something. I have a reason. Why are you awake? But yeah, let's definitely go out soon where there's no COVID. Can you guys hear the ramen? I'm really happy. Like, food makes me happy. These noodles are so long. It's gonna be embarrassing to like eat it in front of me. Wait. Try kong... Ayun, nahati ka naman pala. I don't understand why my friends are awake. Anong height mo na ngayon? I'm 6 flat. I don't know if I grew taller, but when I wear shoes, I'm taller than 6 feet. Well, obviously because of the soles of the shoes. And that's why I like wearing chunky sneakers, because I'm taller than Kyle. Kyle's taller than me, by the way. He's like 6'1". Hi, Cassie. What's up? You're just watching me eat ramen. Is that your snack time? Said Dina Natalina. It's not my snack time. I'm just awake because, again, I shot something. And I got hungry after. And now I'm just making instant ramen. Like, it's 3:47 a.m., I know. But, like, you know, I feel like I deserve to eat. Whoa. And I'm also waiting for the files to send. So the files are sending now to my team in the Philippines. So I'm just making sure that I get to send the link for the folder. Pero, yeah. Ate Jackie, my road manager, kung nanonood ka ngayon, mag-comment ka naman kung nakuha mo na yung files para makatulog na ako. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Who else is here? What's up? Wow, I have so many friends on the live who are watching me. What's up, Francis? What's up, Cyril? Besides from like Ella and Jericho. Okay. Pag di mo ako ni-notice, di mo makikita si Jisoo. Sabi ni Sandy Nicole Bauson. You know what? Like, people are starting to ask, like, how did you start, like, watching, or, like, what's it called? Supporting Blackpink. It's because friends like AC Bonifacio and Cassie Legaspi, they're like, you know, they're blinks. So when you have friends like them, they just influence you. So yeah. if you notice, I've been cutting up the noodles are very long. Like, it's gonna be embarrassing to eat it in front of you guys. That's why I'm like really cutting them. Have you applied to university yet? I was supposed to go to University of Calgary, but I'm just gonna wait it out till I get back to the Philippines because the curriculum is different, so they won't accept it when I get to the Philippines. So yeah. Oh wait, I'm turning the bowl. You know what? This brand isn't even in the Philippines, I think, so it's fine. We got this at Costco. Okay. So, ayun na nga. What year are you in college? I'm going into college, so it's a very exciting time for me in my life. You know, I graduated high school last year, first honor. Wow, and it's ironic, but best in music yung special award ko. So yeah. No, I didn't take a shot, like a coffee shot as an espresso. Like I shot a video. I shot a video. So now I'm sending it to my team. And I'm eating ramen now because I'm waiting for it to send. Galing mo, grabe sir. I know, right? Natutulog na sila net. Opo. Siyempre. And I'm the only one awake. Kasi, yun nga. Alang hanggang 3:50 a.m. ay sinusuportahan nila ang aking career. Jericho said, I guess we're not sleeping tonight. I guess we aren't. Dude, it's Sunday tomorrow. Why don't we hang out, man? I'm so down. Eat na your ramen. I know, okay. So, I think the noodles are like cut in well enough, you know, so I can eat it in front of you guys. But still, I will cover the camera while I take a bite. I don't know. Okay, wait. I'm gonna take a bite. Nahiya talagang... Wait lang. Invite mo si Kyle. Di po kasi nasa taping nga siya. Like, I just got off a FaceTime call with him. So now I'm eating the ramen. And it's very hot. Tas, nilagay ko pa yung buong pack ng spicy sauce. But it's not that spicy. Like, I'm kind of disappointed. Darren, uwi ka na ba sa Pilipinas? Secret. The joke. Just call me Onay. Said, will you take a line of medicine in college also like your mom and dad? Keep safe. Thank you. Stay safe too. Like ever since I was a kid, I've always been targeting the medical field for school. So I guess that's where I'm going. But if it's more convenient for me, like in my life, basically, like I'll just probably do business management. But both are great options, you know, being in the medical field and learning about business management. Like there are artists who, like Cardi B said, she has to hire someone to handle her business because she didn't take business management. And she's telling the younger people now, like, if you want to be the boss of your own company, you should take business now, so that you don't have to hire other people. Sofia Cabrero said, Darren's tongue, why is it so spicy? I know. I'm really scared you guys might see the brand. But again, this brand isn't in the Philippines. So it's fine. Uwi ka na. I know, right? I miss you guys in the Philippines. I miss doing ASAP. I miss doing mall shows and stuff like that. Ang ganda ng hairstyle mo today, D. Sabi ni Jasper. wala na po akong choice. Kasi usually, I don't have a hairline. Like, this goes straight, or like, it just goes that way. Like, my hair, there is no split. But it's so long, I haven't had a haircut in 3 weeks. So, my hair just naturally goes into this style. I'm actually, yeah, I've, okay, let's see. Who else is here? Your questions. Are you in Canada right now? Yes, I am. I live in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I was born and raised here, and I've been here for 8 months because of COVID. Oh wait, December na. Grabe, 9 months na ako dito. Dang. That's so crazy. That's so crazy. I'm gonna take another bite of ramen. So each time I take a bite, I'm gonna put the camera down. Hi, Ate Pao. Kamusta yung love life mo? The joke. Anong English ng cake? Di ba English na yun? Darren, when's the next vlog? Wait. So, since someone asked this, someone said, Darren, when's the next vlog? I've been, I don't know if I should say this. So, I spilt water on my laptop. The complete thing, the keyboard and everything. So, it's been getting fixed. I think I'm getting it back this week. So, yeah. If you guys are curious how I've been doing I Want and stuff, it's not my laptop. But I could use that laptop, like the one I'm using now, the temporary laptop I'm using now, to edit videos, but I don't want to, cause I don't want to have to transfer files. So yeah. So yun. I have a tip for you guys. Kapag nag-Zoom meeting kayo, wag kayong iinom ng tubig. Kasi baka matulad kayo sa akin. Or if you're gonna drink beverages, make sure it's in a water bottle. Not in a mug like mine. It was really bad. Pero, nakakatawa dun, nung natapon yung tubig sa laptop ko, yung team ko, yung management ko, nakita nila, tas nag-react sila. Kami ng mom ko sobrang kalmado. Parang, wait lang, kukuha lang ako ng paper towel. So, I don't know. We were both so shocked, my mom and I. And my dad, like, I switched to the meeting to Zoom on my phone. I went to Zoom on my phone, and that's how I continued the meeting. And my dad was draining the laptop. It was just dripping. And I was like, this is probably fine because it still turns on. But then I went on my phone and I searched it, and it said, don't turn on your laptop. Shut it down and take it to get fixed, because it may look like it's working, pero sa loob, in the inside, it's like there's water. And Ashley from PBB, if you guys know her, spilt milk tea on her laptop, and now when she does Zoom meet, tunog parang robot yung mga kausap niya. So Ashley, if you're watching this, high five. Okay. So ayun, kaya pag nakuha ko na ulit yung laptop ko, may vlogs na ulit kayong pwedeng abangan. Let's see, more questions. Shout out from Saskatoon. See, there's so many Canadians and Americans on this live that are not sleeping yet. Wait, do you actually play the sax? I did play the sax in junior high school. It was a lot of fun. And it really helped with my stamina, my breathing, because it's very controlled when you play instruments like that. Because there are times when you have to sustain a note and you're gonna be lightheaded at the end. But that's why there's other people, like there's like syempre junior high, so there's other students who are there to, like, after you sustain the note you can take a rest and then they take over the next bars, like few bars or so. And yeah, it was a fun experience being in the school band, and I definitely want to try playing the alto sax again one day. And I also want to get back to playing the piano. Kasi I play the piano in my shows and stuff, but it's not the same as... Kasi I can read notes and stuff, but like I was way better at playing the piano when I was 7 or 8. Kimmy Toots 24, sabi niya, sinong bias mo sa BTS? Bias ko sa BTS si Rapmon, so RM. And my bias wrecker would be... I feel like Jungkook. No, or Taeyang, wait. I like all their personalities, you know? They're a fun group. Sabi ni Jana, Darren, basahin mo na tong comment ko. Kailangan ko ng inspiration para maka-review. Ayun, binasa ko na po yung comment nyo. Tapos kakain na naman ako. Talagang hindi ko pinapakita sa inyo yung pag kumakain ako, pero ayun. Stuck featuring Pink Sweats coming Feb 2021. Reese, you know what? You're crazy, man. Oh my gosh, wait, no, but I just want to share with everyone watching this live. It's crazy. Pink Sweats follows me. I don't know why, but like, I'm so happy, man. It's crazy. Shout out to Pink Sweats. You're an awesome guy. I love your music. I like how there's still people watching me eat ramen here. It's great. You guys are great. I love you guys. You know what? For instant ramen, this is really good. Okay. I don't know how long this live is gonna be. I should just finish this and then end the live. So I'm gonna do that. Let's see if you have questions. Katsine says, nakapag-hangout ka na ba with Kaisin? Yes, many times. Nico Abapo says, what camera are you using to your on your vlogs? I use a Sony A7S II, and I know it's not practical at all for vlogs, especially handheld vlogs. But I don't like it's because my camera, the Sony A7S II, is what they use mostly for like corporate events and like commercials and stuff. And like I was like, okay, I want a high-end camera, but then like it's very useful for when I do ASAP because it's HD and stuff. But when I do vlogs, it's shaky because it's meant to be on a stabilizer or a tripod. It's not one of those cameras that has a built-in stabilizer. So yeah. This ramen is really good. And it's 4 a.m. I love how so many people are still watching me eat ramen. Donna Kid said, Donna Kid, di ba ano yun? Gatas, de joke lang. Donna Kid said, what time do you wake up? I usually wake up at around, like my it depends on my call time sometimes. If I have interviews here in the Philippines, sometimes I do interviews until 6 a.m. So I wake up at like 2 p.m. and stuff. But my usual wake up time is like 10:30. Yeah, I'd say around that time. Depends if we're doing something that day too. Cassie says, we're only here for the ramen review, TBH. I can't believe you're still here. Why are you here? Uy, mag-taping ka nga. Kung ano-anong inaatupag di magtrabaho. Hindi, joke lang. Okay, let's see. Okay. Sabi ni Cassie, I just come back because I'm waiting for the ramen review. It's really good. I added the garnishes, as Ella says. The soup base, and then I add the spicy pack. And it's really good ramen. For like instant ramen, I'd rate it a 10 out of 10. And it has like, what's it called? Is it water chestnuts? I feel like it's water chestnuts. That's the texture that I feel. AC, why are you texting me? Wait, I'm gonna take another bite. Yes, Tita Bobby, mukbang po ito. Ay, hindi pala si Tita Bobby nagsabi nun. Pero hi, Tita Bobby. Kaisin Baby said mukbang po pala ito. Jeremy said this is a mukbang too. What's up, Jeremy? It is a mukbang. So to everyone who just got on this live, I'm still awake. It's 4:06 here in Canada. I'm still awake because I shot something. I shot a video, and I'm sending it now to my management. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna eat ramen. So here I am eating ramen. Dami kong sinabi. Di na lang kumain, di ba? Ayokong ipakita kasi mahilig kayong mag-edit. Magaling kayong mag-edit eh. Ini-screenshot nyo pag nagsusubo ako, ganun. So I've almost finished my ramen. I feel like this is the last 3 bites. Tas minsan pag nagsiscreen record pa kayo, ni-slow mo nyo pa. Pag may ginawa akong ewan. Gustong gusto nyong ano, joke lang. This was so good. See, Jeremy's here, Ken San Jose is here, Cassie Legaspi is here. My lodies are here on this call. I mean, on this live. So now it's only the soup in the bowl. That's really spicy. Wait. Kaya pala, yung spiciness wala sa noodles kasi naiwan sa soup base. Okay. So thanks for watching. Oh, that's really spicy. Okay. So thanks for... Wala, nagsisipon na ako. It's so spicy. Okay. I'm gonna throw this out. Oh my gosh, that's really spicy. Wait, kukuha akong tubig. So while I'm getting water... Can you sing me a song? I don't know who you are, Ken San Jose. O diba, sila isa Komya nandito din. Dami kong mga friends na mga Lodi na nandito sa live na to. Look at my cup, it's green too. That was really spicy. Anyway. Sinisipon na nga ako kasi ewan ko ba't gusto ko ng manghang. What's the temperature there? Well, you know what? Let's ask my TV. Hold on. Where's the remote? Nasaan yung remote ng TV? Wait lang. Nasaan yung remote ng TV? Gusto ko yung naghahanap ako ng remote ng TV dito sa live, no? Wait lang Kasi gusto pong malaman ni Tita Bobby kung... Ayun, nahanap ko na yung remote kung ano yung temperature dito. So, turning on the TV now. And, okay.
Something went wrong. Try again in a few seconds.
Kasi minabadali eh. Wait lang. What's the weather like in Calgary, Alberta today?
Today in Calgary, it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of 50 and a low of 30.
This is in Fahrenheit.
It's 30 degrees and clear.
So, as I was saying, this is in Fahrenheit. This is in Fahrenheit. So, wait. What is the weather in Calgary, Alberta in Celsius?
It'll be sunny there today with a forecasted high of 10 and a low of -1 degree Celsius.
Minus
Right
1.
now it's -1 degree and clear. By the way, you can say always use Celsius for weather.
So, tapos ka na Okay. Papatayin ko ng TV. So, it's -1 degree Celsius right now. And I'm still awake. So, Samantha. Hi, SP. I miss you, SP. I miss hanging out with all my friends in the Philippines. So now you know what time it is. I mean, what time? What's the weather like in Canada? Pero yun nga weird kasi ngayong December na to. Walang snow. The snow's melting. But usually September and last week ng September nagsa-snow na. And then October, punong-puno na ng snow yung kalsada. Like last year, kasi andito ako for Christmas last year. My mom and I flew into Canada, I think same time this year. So when we flew in, it was so cold. Ang kapal ng snow. Tas this year, ewan ko, kaya nga yung Believe in Christmas, na-disappoint ako kasi gusto ko mas, alam mo yun, mas white Christmas yung itsura nung music video. Tas, nung week na sinut namin, nagmelt lahat ng snow dun sa provincial park. So parang, shucks. So, ginawa, buti na lang, may snow pa po sa ground. So yun na lang. Tas may snowflakes naman na nahuhulog. So, yeah. But, you know, the snow could have been a lot thicker in the music video. I'm still kind of disappointed about that, but, you know, that's life. I'm finished my ramen, so should I go to sleep? Gusto ko yung daming comments tungkol sa TV. Yung TV po na yan, minsan di kami ano yun? Minsan di kami bati. Kasi may sasabihin ako, iba yung papakita ng resulta. Minsan, sabi ko search for something on Netflix, dadalhin niya ako sa YouTube. Pero siguro nasa pronunciation ko din. Ken, why are you saying notice me, man? Like, what is up? Nagkakasundo pala yung word. Thank you for correcting. Oh, yun. Hindi kami nagkakasundo. Hi, Tita Mabel. LQ kami ng TV. Oh, Tita Joanne said, drink lots of water. Instant ramen noodles are very high in sodium. I know. That's why I'm already expecting my face to bloat tomorrow. Because when I eat food that is high in sodium, my face just, So yeah. I would drink lots of water now. Okay. It's really funny how this live started. I just wanted to... wait! Kaya nga pala ako nag-live kasi hinihintay kong mag-send yung files sa management ko. Ayun na nga, nag-send na nga, guys. It's an accomplishment. Ate Jackie, nasa'yo na. Ikaw na. Nasa'yo na ang files. Pwede nyo nang i-edit ang videos ko. Dahil dyan, matutulog na din po ako, mga kapamilya. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ng I Want ASAP today for making us trend. And yeah, I'm gonna say bye now because it's 4:16 a.m. and I still have a lot of energy. Kanina, antok na ako habang nagsushoot. Tapos ngayon na kumain ako, taas ng energy ko. Let's add a friend to the live before I go. Okay, so I have no friends on the live anymore. Oh, hyper po ako talaga. Sabi nila hyper ka. Yes po. So yeah, that concludes my live for today. Sige na nga, i-upload ko to sa IGTV. Kasi nag-enjoy din naman akong kumain ng ramen sa live. But yeah, thanks for watching me eat ramen and for staying. And I see that the viewers are still going higher. If you just came onto the live, hi. But I'm about to go to sleep because it's 4:17 now here in Calgary. And my files that I shot earlier, which is the reason why I did a live, was to wait for the files to send, are now sent. And I finished my ramen. Wala akong uurungin. Kasi, yung fork pala uurungin ko pero mamaya na. Kasi, disposable naman yung instant ramen cup. And it's recyclable. It's recyclable because it's paper. So, make sure to recycle. Dapat, alam mo sa Pilipinas, sana mas maraming taong may recycling bin at may talagang for waste lang. And then compost bin. Like, it'll help you a lot in the future, in the long run. And of course, it's more environment friendly. So if you guys want lang, try it out. Sort your recyclables out, your waste, and your compost into different bins. Kasi dito sa Canada, papakita ko lang. Wait. This is our compost bin. And it says the city of Calgary right there. And it's required to have this in your house. Isn't that crazy? You're required to have a compost bin in your household. And you can see that it says, if using a bag, only use certified compostable bags with these logos. So yeah, I'm not gonna open it obviously. But amoy balat ng orange siya ngayon kasi you gotta get your fruits in and stuff. So yesterday we had watermelon and today we had oranges. And yeah, just to stay safe and healthy. Bakit ngayon nyo lang po napapansin yung buhok kong ganitong may hati? Kasi last year ganito yung buhok ko. Ito nga yung buhok ko sa cover ng Sasagipin Kita. Matagal nang ganito yung buhok ko. Nung September lang naging ganun ulit yung buhok ko, like wala siyang hati. So like I just, when my hair gets longer, it naturally goes to this. Pero when it's short, pwede ko siyang i-style na pag ganun. Gets nyo ba? Okay. Anyway. Maraming salamat po for staying on the live. Shout out to the Darren Addicts. I love you guys. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Stay productive. Ingat parati and always wear a mask kung lalabas kayo. Pero di naman kailangan lumabas. Huwag kayong lumabas. Sabi nga ni Ate Kim Chu. And yeah, if we just have a lot more discipline and hindi tayo ma-excite masyadong lumabas, we can get back sooner to doing the things that we used to love. And like mall shows, live events, ASAP, all those things, going out with friends. So, sana po ay makabalik tayo sa ganong mundo. But for now, we just have to practice the new normal. And again, maraming salamat po for watching this live. Take care, you guys. And be kind to one another. Sabi nga ni Ellen, maraming salamat. Love you. Bye.